eating less meat may be a healthier option. And how do you react when you are being asked to reduce your meat intake? Welcome you up back to Home Sweet Food channel. Today is another recipe that we are going to share. Abunuabunu pa nambia kaho Abunuabunu special pa vegan style. So I have tomatoes, eggplants, carrots, and then spring onion. I have okra, spinach. Then I have the bitter eggplant, salt, and then that is all. Let's start today's process. So I begin by cooking the spinach, and then I added the tomatoes. Then I cut the eggplant into two to make it easier to cook fast. And the bitter eggplant, I just added the water, and then we cover this so it becomes soft for us to blend. I'm not going to overcook the spinach. Then let's prepare the soup. So in Abunuabunu, I just added some onion, and if you're a vegetarian or vegan, this soup is specially made for you all. So a lovely father requested this recipe on my Facebook page. Nana Emmanuel Asenso. Nana, thank you for all the support and keep on watching Home Sweet Food. This is a special request to Nana Emmanuel Asenso. Nana, thank you. So the spinach is done. I took the spinach and then the onion, but the tomatoes and then the other eggplant is not ready. Then I blend some onion, ginger, and then garlic. And I'm going to steam this for 5 minutes. Then I'll blend those vegetables. Then added my okra, the carrots, and then that's gonna be our meeting. So how do you react? As I said in the beginning, if you don't eat that the spring onion, I'm going to blend with the spinach, and then this recipe is so simple. And today is no meat day in my house. Cocoyam, because in my first video that I posted, that green soup, I said green means stop. Green means go. Yes, we are going today. Cocoyam kasa. So I use the water that I cook with the vegetables, and this what is left. So I use some to rinse the bowl, and then you cook this for 10 minutes on low heat, and then you can drink your soup. And so it's a little bit bitter because of the eggplant that I use. So if you don't like it, you can skip those ones. Just added a pinch of salt. And this soup in Ghana, we use coconut yam leaves, but with the absence of cocoyam leaves, you can use spinach and and thank you all for watching Home Sweet Food. So my fufu is ready. So I know you'll be asking, what kind of plantain did you use to cook your fufu? So I just added a bit of turmeric, and I'm my fufu in so I use a bit of turmeric, and then it turned my fufu that perfect yellow color that I want. So thank you all. And I know someone will be asking, so did you eat it? Yes, I did enjoy this food part. This is no meat day. Nana, thank you. And that was Mama could no meat day in my house. Thank you all for watching. God bless you and stay safe.